Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this pet dental cleaning powder. This is a really neat idea on just care for your pet's teeth because you're not actually getting in there with a brush or a piece of gauze or anything like that. It's just simply a powder that helps with the bad breath and plaque and buildup and things like that. Based on your dog's size, they get a different scooping amount. So just read up, make sure you know how much you're giving them, and then you just sprinkle it on their food. So I'll bring you in here close so you can take a good look at it. But I've got his food here, and we will check out this powder. So here are the things that it can help with right here, and the different ingredients that are in the package. So we've got our container. You just open it up right here. And then we just simply lift that up to reveal this powder. So I like that it is a nice little green color so you can then see if you've done it for the dog for the day on their food. So my dog is under 22 pounds, so I'm just gonna put 1 scoop and we will sprinkle it on their food. Really good for their dog's plaque and tartar remover. And it's also a compound probiotic. So it'll help with their bad breath and all sorts of stuff.